To learn more about Barney and Friends, visit PBS online at pbskids.org.
Barney and Friends was made possible by...
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting Children's Public Television, where a kid can be a kid.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
Doink.
PBS Kids!
Red rocks, red rules.
Blue's the boss, blue's the bomb. Green's a groove, green is great. Purple's pow, purple's posh.
Pink's a pick, pink's a point.
Yellow, yellow, yes. Together we're hot, you're warm or you're not. We're both really cool, a splash in the pool.
And we two are bright.
We bring in the light. We're hot as a fire.
And I take us higher.
We're cool just like ice. And I add the spice. But best of all, 6 makes a fabulous mix.
There's lots of fun in store, so stick around for more here on WETA Kids.
What's that under the water? Take a look, go find out. Think what you'll uncover, maybe a treasure, maybe a trout. Are there any fish? There's only one way to find out. Use your head and find the answer. It's the best way without a doubt.
Go find out.
How did the world start? I mean, they have the Big Bang Theory, but who knows if that was really true.
How did dinosaurs really die out?
Like, sometimes my friends ask me, do you like your mom or your dad more? And it's like really hard because you love them both a lot.
You're watching WETA Kids on WETA Washington.
Sesame Street is brought to you by the following.
America Online is proud to support Sesame Street. No two kids are alike, but what they all share is endless curiosity. AOL helps kids sing.
Sesame Street is brought to you every day by the letter O. SpaghettiOs Pasta, proud to help kids' minds grow. And with nutritious stuff like a full serving of veggies, help their bodies grow.
Sesame Street is brought to you by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and viewers like you. Thank you.